Good morning and welcome to the Bubba Show. It is Monday, it is recap and preview. I hope everybody had a great weekend and enjoyed a nice summery weekend. We have a holiday week this week, which should make the markets a little bit more challenging. But last week was almost according to plan. Last Monday we came down to 1560, a support level we were watching, and then had a nice hard rally on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. And then, of course, Friday, the markets broke a little bit. But I think one of the things you want to take away from last week was the end of the quarter, possibly a little window dressing. You had Dudley Do Right and Uncle Ben come out and try to explain the policy. So, interesting enough, what was bad news the week before was now suddenly good news again, and nothing had changed because it's basically what the Fed had said the week before. But the levels worked pretty well. Towards the end of the week, volume got really thin. I think it's important to note that Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday's volume did not really even equal the total of Monday and Friday. So the down days were much bigger than the up days. Typical in a market that's starting to get ready to make a move. Also typical of what's happening in the trade. The long-term trend, is up, but again, we're trading off the shorter-term trend, and that is certainly down, and certainly the market appears to be under some pressure here. So, coming to this week, what are we going to look for? Well, the first thing is I really would recommend that you do not much, because it's going to be a quiet, slow week with what we call a lot of vacuums in the market, where there's with the lack of volume that's going to be around, the lack of traders that are going to be participating, there'll be a lot of sharp movement, possibly to go nowhere. And because of the amount of news, which we'll talk about tomorrow, coming out this week, these can all be major factors in a market that's going to be very thinly traded. So I would really suggest that if you want to get in, just make sure you're waiting exactly for the spot you want to get in. But it's really probably a better week just to take the week off, and let's see what happens next week because we start earnings season. So looking at the big picture, with the jobs numbers coming out this week and with the holiday, the volume should be just horrific most of the week, and Wednesday's only a half a day. So for this week, I would really choose and hope that you would just relax, enjoy the holiday, and sit on the sidelines. If you must, 1620 is a great sell point on the upside. Look for first support at 1600 and then 1580. And these are all basis the S&P. But again, my suggestion to you is to relax and sit on the sidelines. But if you want to, those are what we're going to look at. If you'd like to listen to me on the radio, go to LibertyExpressRadio.com, The Bubba Show, every day, 5 to 6 Eastern Time. And, of course, we've still got the call tonight, the Monday night call, which has been really awesome. Love to have you on there. Email me at todd@averagejoeoptions.com. For Monday, The Bubba Show. We'll talk to you on Tuesday. Have a good day.